This is lesson 1-8, finding differences. Well, there's only one vocabulary word in this lesson, and it's difference. And the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So, for example, if I have the subtraction problem 20 minus 10, okay, the answer to that problem is 10. 10 is the difference. Okay, so that's how we use the word difference in math usually, is when it's the answer to a subtraction problem. The key concepts that we want kids to know in this unit, we want them to be able to compare whole numbers, which we've been talking about all along. You know, we want them to say 10 is bigger than 9, and it's smaller than 24. Okay, but 24 is bigger than 16, which is bigger than 10, but smaller than 36. Okay, so being able to know which order whole numbers go in. We want them to be able to find differences between pairs of numbers. So essentially we want kids to be able to subtract. Okay, we want them to be able to subtract fluently. So practicing subtraction facts is really going to help kids at this stage in the game, especially as they progress in their math learning. And we want them to be able to use a number grid to solve problems. So if they have a number grid, we've talked about the number grid, and let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it goes all the way up to 9, 10, and then over here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then over here is going to be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here's just a piece of a number grid. We want them to be able to say, for example, if I have 15, I want to know the difference between 15 and 11. Well, essentially we're saying what's 15 minus 11? To be able to use a number grid, well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just being able to count backwards on the number grid and know that the difference between 15 and 11 would equal 4. Alright, so those are the key things in this lesson. As far as how you can help with this, please subtraction flashcards if you're not using those already, or if your child needs practice with subtraction, that never hurts. Also, anytime there's an opportunity to subtract something, if you're going to the grocery store, you're going shopping, we have this much money and we buy this, how much do we have left? Okay, that's great because that also combines money. Anything that has to do with taking things away and getting an answer to get a difference. So this is lesson 1-8, finding differences, the parent help video for grade 3 everyday math.